Hello friends, welcome to this session, the AWS Solution Architecture Exam Preparation. So let's see the today's question. So today's question is AWS S3 standard and AWS S3 standard infrequent access, that's IA, have same latency and throughput performance. So you have to give the answer in true and false. Let me repeat the question over here. The S3 standard and S3 standard IA have the same latency and throughput performance. So do you really remember of the throughput and performance for S3 and IA? So let's wait for the 5 second and till time you can write your question in comment section. So let's start. Okay. And answer is true. So basically S3 standard and IA offers the high durability and throughput and low latency of the AWS S3 standard with a low per GB storage price and GB per GB retrieval fees. So basically, it's given the both the performance and throughput the same level. So let's move for the next question over here. So next question is what service we should use when want to connect between two instance. One is a private and second is the private, but both are the in a different account. So you have the two different account and in two different account the two different instance. So what service you will require for the connect these two instance? So the options over here is VPN, VPC peering, internet gateway, and all of these options. I think you must aware about the this communication between these two instance. Uh, no problem. You can write your answer and in comment sections. Let's wait for 5 more seconds. Okay. So answer over here is VPC peering. So basically VPC peering is required when the two different account you need to communicate between two different private instances. So there are two private instances you need to keep in mind. So if instance is in public, then that could be the different ways. Okay. So the next question is here. Customer have the implemented the important document upload using the way of the multi-part upload to improve the success rate of the uploading files. The approach works well. However, you notice that when object is not uploaded successfully, partially upload or incomplete upload part of the object are still being stored in S3 and you are going to charge for these objects. So what things you will use to expire this incomplete or partially multi uploads files? So I think you got the point, the question. Still, we go in a depth of this question. So there are the customer who have managed the S3 and just improve of the files. Basically, we need to improve the multi-part upload that S3 API supports uploading the multi-part when we do have the large files. And here the it's implemented the multi-part upload and here what customer observe that there are the incomplete files available in S3 and they see that it's getting the charge for the S3 storage and what is the way to avoid this situation? So here the option is enable versioning, change the S3 storage class, S3 IAM policy configuration, S3 lifecycle policy. So you can write your answer in comment section. Let's wait for the 5 more seconds over here. Okay. So answer here is S3 lifecycle policy. So you can configure S3 lifecycle policy to change your class, to remove your incomplete uh, these multiple uploads, and to expire your objects. So you want so your remove the your objects in specific time duration. You can configure all this thing in S3 lifecycle policy. So friends, this is the today's question. We will meet again for with new questions. So you can write your answer and you can get ready with this all question for the AWS solution architecture exam. Thank you.